Introduction to active and passive voice. What is that? The active voice places the focus on the subject performing the action, while the passive voice shifts the emphasis to the object receiving the action. Using active voice. In the active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action expressed by the verb. Example: the teacher graded the essays, active voice. In this sentences, the subject, the teacher, performs the action graded on the object, the essays. Using passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action expressed by the verb. Example: the essays were graded by the teacher, passive voice. In this sentence, the object, the essays, receives the action were graded from the subject, the teacher. When to use active versus passive voice. Active voice. To emphasize the person or thing carrying out the action. It is the most common and natural. Passive voice. To emphasize the person or thing receiving the action. It can create a more formal, impersonal, or objective tone. More examples. The man is playing the guitar, active voice. The guitar is being played by the man, passive voice. He reads a newspaper, active voice. A newspaper is read by him, passive voice. A man takes a selfie, active voice. A selfie is taken by a man, passive voice. He is pushing the box, active voice. The box is being pushed by him, passive voice. He waters the plants, active voice. The plants are watered by him, passive voice. Thanks for watching.